Alright, hey everybody, let's go over SBAC pages 11 and 12. First problem, what I've drawn here is I've drawn this place value chart, which is most important for that. You're trying to find out the value of the underlying digit. So if you just place this number in your place value model, it becomes very easy to see. They're asking you what is the value of this digit, and if you just look up in the place value, it tells you that it is 6/10. So all the answers that are equivalent to 6/10 is right. You got A, B is not right, that's 6/100. C is correct, 6/10. D is not right, it's 6/100, and E is correct because 6 times 1/10 is 6/10. Problem number 2, choose the value that makes the statement true. The number 2, again, you're looking at the place value charts. If you look at the number 2, that is in the hundredths place. So 2 is in the hundredths place, and 5, if you place the digits in the place value, you'll see right here that it's in the thousandths place. So 5 would be in the thousandths place. Same deal for problem number 3. You just write that number. Go ahead and write it in the place value section model, and then identify the 8, which is here. So you're looking for a number that is in the hundredths place. So A would not be right because that's 8/10. B is correct, that's 8/100. C is not correct, 8/10. D is correct, 8/100, and E is not correct because that would give you 8/10. So the only right answers are B and D. Looks like they're trying to kill us with these type of problems because it's the exact same thing. You place that number in your chart, that's your tenths place, that's your hundredths place, and that's your thousandths place. So the 8 is in the hundredths place, so no, yes, no, yes, and yes. Same answer. Same thing here. Write the number in there. Look for the value, digit 2. The 2 is in the ones place, so it's a 1. And the 7 is in the, what is it? Yep, that's right, it's the hundredths place. So it is worth 7/100ths. Simple, they're asking you to write this in word form. If you look at that, word form is write the number using words but no numbers. For example, 136 is 136. So remember that this decimal point means and, so you write 9 and 50-7 hundredths. Great handwriting, huh? John's not sure how to write 81 and 402 thousandths in expanded form. So what I've done for you here is 10 is equal to 10 to the first power. 1/10 is 10 to the negative first power. 1/100th is the same as 10 to the negative second power. Think Central is asking you pretty much just to place these numbers where they belong. So what you do to find the answer is this. And you see I did 8 times 10 is 80, 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 1/10 is 4/10, and 2 times 1,000th is 2,000ths. What you don't have here, you have no hundredths in that answer. So this is the correct way to write 81 and 402 thousandths in expanded form. Exact same type of problem, but they're asking you to write it in standard form. So standard form is just writing the numbers using numerals. What you do is just plot these where they belong. 2 times 100 would be over here 200. So you put that in the hundredths place. 9 times 1, you'd put that here. There are no tens in this number. 7 times 1/10, you put the 7 here. Don't forget your decimal point. And there are no hundredths because you got no hundredths here, and that is 8 in the thousandths place. So writing in standard form would be 209 and 708 thousandths. And that's it for SBAC pages 11 and 12. Gotta love math.